guys, so today's video is just going to be Maya and Jasmine just going around and doing stuff on the beach. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let's just go past here, and I think I'm not really hungry right now, but do you want to get some frozen yogurt later? Yeah. And then we can also play volleyball because there's no one using it right now. I'm just going to move these though. There. Hey, can we use the volleyball? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, ready? Go. Woo! I got it. Oh. Woohoo! Okay, what do you want to do now? Mm-mm. How do I get this system? Oh. I don't know how to stop this, guys. Okay, let's go. There. How about we go get something to eat and then we'll go get some ice cream. Okay, so it says there's a food place around here. Oh yeah, right here. I think these are smoothies. Oh yeah, sorry. I'll go over here. What would you like? I like a banana smoothie, and what would you like? I like an apple smoothie. Okay. Or not. Actually, yeah, I'll just have a banana one. We'll just move this over here so no one eats anything. Okay, this is not working. There. I don't know what is happening. There. Okay, we're just gonna put this down here. Sorry guys for this. There. Okay, banana smoothie and then apple smoothie. There we go. Okay. Okay. Eat. Where could we eat? Well, I guess we could go somewhere over here. Ooh, there's popsicles. Well, we're gonna have ice cream, so I don't know where to eat though. Maybe there's a place down here. Okay, so there's definitely not a place to eat up there besides the smoothie place. Oh, sorry. No. Not here either. I'm just gonna go past it quick. Sorry. Maybe we could go, to the beach and just get ice cream. Yeah, I think that's the best idea we got. And then what about after that, we just go swimming? Yeah, sure. Okay, I already got my ice cream. Now it's time for Jasmine's. I would like a banana and strawberry one. Oops. I don't know what is happening, but the swirl isn't working, and I just found this one over there. That's why she already had it. So I guess we're just gonna have to go with chocolate. I'll just have a chocolate one. Okay, let's go. There's been a lot of glitches that I found in Avatar World, or like I didn't find it, but I've seen, and yeah, but then there's like the Daisy shop went back to how it was when it was glitter, so I don't know. Okay, that's it for today. Bye guys. Hope you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Hope you like the video. Bye guys.